All right, guys. Real quick, little intro. We're here in Michigan. This will be the third hunt of the spring season for turkeys. It's May 1st. Yesterday, some tough birds. It seemed like every time we should have zigged, we zagged, and it just did not work out. But we had storms all last night. Thunderstorms rolled through. It's overcast, but should be a good morning. No rain, no precipitation. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get out there, see if we can locate some on the roost, and yeah, we'll see what happens. This is where I called in a gobbler last week. Did not get a shot at it, so we'll see what happens this morning. Called in 6 jakes. I'm sitting up here on a ridge. At the bottom of the ridge is a river. And turkeys, I think, were roosted on the other side. Flew down across the river. They didn't come up. The gobbler didn't come up the ridge. He kind of stayed at the bottom. They kind of circled behind me. And then, when I was going to turn around on the tree, 2 jakes came down the ridge. Came within 20 yards. No shooters. And they kind of hung out around me. So I'll sit here. Gotta go. luckily for these birds, the camera battery ended up dying. And I had a personal goal this year to get a bird on camera, and this is what happens. And when I was getting ready to leave, the bird was actually about 100 yards to my left, full strut. I think he had some hens with him. There's 2 gobblers on either side of me. There was one to the right and one to the left, and I was in the middle. Eventful hunt. Got to see some pretty cool stuff. Had some jakes circling around me quite a bit. Had them in range. Yeah, that's how it goes. Hopefully you enjoy some of the footage. I love this springtime turkey hunting. It's just a lot of fun. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it.